Sytoxcar.
Lexus has once again introduced an extraordinary innovation with the release of the 2025 LC500 Convertible, a masterpiece that combines powerful performance with stylish design. This car boasts a captivating aerodynamic design, from its smooth body lines to the exotic open-top look. With sleek exterior details, including the iconic front grille and slim LED headlights, the LC500 Convertible exudes elegance and modernity from every angle. Beneath its luxurious exterior, the LC500 Convertible houses a 5.0-litre V8 engine that delivers up to 471 horsepower. Its acceleration is impressive, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. The combination of this powerful engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission offers a smooth yet thrilling driving experience. The engine's roar adds to the dramatic effect every time the car takes off. Inside the cabin, luxury takes center stage. Lexus has paid meticulous attention to every detail, using high-quality leather and elegant wood accents. The advanced infotainment system features a large touchscreen connected to a premium Mark Levinson audio system, providing an exceptional listening experience for both the driver and passengers. Modern features like navigation, automatic climate control, and ventilated seats further enhance comfort during every journey. One of the standout features of the Lexus LC500 Convertible is its ability to open the roof in just 15 seconds, even while driving at low speeds. This gives drivers the flexibility to enjoy fresh air and an open sky whenever they please. With a redesigned chassis for enhanced stability, the LC500 Convertible remains sturdy and balanced when driving with the top down without compromising on driving comfort. Overall, the 2025 Lexus LC500 Convertible is a bold symbol of luxury with breathtaking performance. This car not only offers an incredible driving experience, but also caters to a lifestyle that prioritizes comfort and sophistication. Whether you're looking for a stylish vehicle for special occasions or a dynamic ride for everyday use, the Lexus LC500 Convertible is a perfect choice that won't disappoint.